In a major legal decision involving one of college football's most recognizable figures, the Louisiana Supreme Court has ruled that Kelly Orgeron, the ex-wife of former LSU head coach Ed Orgeron, is entitled to over $8 million from her former husband's lucrative buyout deal with the university. The ruling stems from a lengthy legal battle over the division of assets following the couple's divorce. Key details of the ruling on Friday: the state's highest court voted 5-2 in favor of Kelly Orgeron, concluding that she should receive $8.13 million, nearly half of the $17 million buyout Ed Orgeron received after his dismissal from LSU in 2021. The court based its decision on the fact that the Orgerons were still legally married in January 2020 when Ed signed a contract extension with LSU, shortly after leading the Tigers to a national championship and a historic 15-0 season. Although Orgeron filed for divorce just 6 weeks after signing the extension, the contract had not yet been formally approved by LSU's Board of Supervisors at that time. Despite this timeline, the court emphasized that the agreement was effective during the existence of the community, meaning it qualified as a marital asset. Writing for the majority, Justice Jefferson Hughes stated, "The lower courts failed to recognize that even if the employment agreement could be considered a new obligation rather than a fulfillment of the requirements of the binding term sheet, because it was made effective during the existence of the community, the contract is a community asset in which both husband and wife have an interest." 3 of the justices who participated in the case were temporary replacements, stepping in due to recusals from regular members of the bench. Their decision overturns a 2024 lower court ruling that had sided with Ed Orgeron. Background: a championship legacy followed by a swift downfall. Ed Orgeron became LSU's head coach midway through the 2016 season, taking over after the dismissal of Les Miles. His tenure peaked in 2019.